Hi guys, it's Jeb here. Welcome to another video.
Did you really just spray that in your face? What a dumb idea.
Oh, it's on the teeth. It's on the teeth. Right, anyway, today we're doing a vlog, but first we're doing
This is for
Theo's.
my channel.
Yeah, but on mine
Not
as well.
yours.
On
No.
mine.
Ow!
No, can we please? We can do it on your channel as well.
Oh, fine. We'll have to film at the same time though. Right,
Yeah.
show them it, but don't open it.
Right,
Because you won't see it.
Theo is going to show me what's inside
I've already seen it. Only a
of
little
this
bit
box.
of it.
I cross my heart. Some of you will be saying like, "Oh, you're great, you're stupid. Of course you've seen it." Well, I actually haven't. I cross my heart.
Your gift box has been lovingly packed by C.W. We got this for free as well.
Really?
Look, that's how special it is. That paper is laminated. That's how you know it's special.
Right then, let's get into this. Right. So, I'm excited, man. Theo's starting his video.
Move up.
Move up. Move up. Right. Here's the box.
Right, I'll let you start yours. Like,
Shall I? What?
I'll let you start yours.
What do you mean?
Because I'm like doing a thing where I go like that.
What do you mean? So I need to be out the shot?
Yeah, I guess.
Alright.
Alright. So we're just starting my vlog now with this special box of Mr. Roy.
This is like the behind the scenes, isn't it?
Mm. We're still doing it on yours. Alright. What is up, guys? It's Aqua here, and today we are doing another video. Today we're with It's Jeb. Okay, and we've got this special box, which I already know what's in it, but George doesn't, and we're going to be doing whatever's in this box. It's got 70s on it for a reason. Alright, I'll show the camera it. Look away.
I know!
Look away.
I know.
Don't say it, because they probably don't know. Don't look.
I'm not. Just stand in front of the camera, then I won't be able to see.
I am so excited. Oh. Oh. Right. What are you looking?
No. Right, Theo gave me a clue. He showed me the top of one, and I thought that it was a sweet.
Actually, we should sit like this. No, actually, sit.
Yeah. Theo gave me a clue, and he showed me the top of one of the little things. And if you shake it, it makes a noise. So it's lots of little things, and I think that it's going to be 70s sweets.
Do you want to take a look? 1970s?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
Yeah. 1 sec. 3. Wait. Hold it like that. 3, 2, 1.
Da, 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 da.
Da,
Da, da,
da,
da, da, da.
da, da. And I think I am right.
Yep, you are right. Look. Alright, let's show. Oh my. Got some of these stuff. And we're just gonna measure them out to see which ones we have to cut in half and stuff. And like.
Yeah, and which ones do you recognise? I recognise most of
Yeah,
these.
that's cool.
Nobody, you never get these flumes in any shops anymore.
2020, so it's alright.
Yeah.
I think these are all like made new.
Yeah.
They're really old sweets.
And I recognise
2018.
these Swizzles Fizzes.
Don't remember these double dips,
Do
don't you?
you? Yeah, I do.
Yeah, but look at
Love
the packaging.
hearts.
Look at the packaging. Two fruity
You never get
dips.
blackjacks anymore. Parma Violets. Haribos from the 70s.
Yeah. Look, one of it.
Yeah.
One of it. I can't speak. It's exciting. Sweet. Actually is.
What's this?
Fruit salad.
That'd be nice.
Don't open it yet. We need to sort them all out. Bubblegum. Blows bigger bubbles.
Shiza is. Please say there's 2 of them.
No, there's only one. Oh. Turn on subscribe after me.
No, split in half.
Fine. Right, let's measure them out. I'm just going to stop my camera so it
Shall we go down to the kitchen?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's go in 3, 2, 1. Right. Right, here we are. We're back. We're in the kitchen. And we are... Did you see on Jake Paul's video the other day when he was teleporting? He forgot to edit it and he went, right. He started the video and then went, yoink, like that.
Did he?
Yeah. Jake Paul errors. Hashtag Jake Paul errors.
Right.
Right, what's the first one we're going to try?
I'm just... There we go, right.
I'll just move my camera.
Let's get them all into like piles. So
Yeah.
I've got these. I don't think
We're the same thing.
they've got these. There,
We've got the
them.
fizzes.
Got the bubbly. The Haribos.
We've got the Snap Crackle. I know that one. That goes with the Swizzles because
Got
that's the
these.
same brand.
Got the Freshers.
We've got the Blackjack.
Blackjack licorice.
If you can see. Oh, crap. Theo, choose a hand, left or right.
Right.
You get the orange.
Okay.
We need
I've got the
scissors.
orange.
Oh wait, you don't need scissors. I realise you can just push it.
Yeah,
like
but
that.
it works better with scissors, really. Right, let's go back into the frame.
Please cut mine. Snape. Ow.
Oh, it landed on my toe.
I didn't know.
Right.
Eh,
It's sugar.
Snape. Ow.
Okay.
Right, guys, if you don't know what these are little sugar straws.
Yeah. It's got all sugar in it.
And it's just like sugar and sherbet. But if you go like, put your mouth over it, it goes on. They're so annoying sometimes, these. You ready, Theo?
Yep.
3, 2, 1. Oh, gone. It's like a... Oh. Oh.
They're a little bit sour.
Yeah, I know they are actually.
Mine tasted like orange.
You're not in the shop, mate. Mine tasted like sour apple.
Mine tasted like orange.
So that's them gone. What do you rate them?
An 8.
And they're also a musical instrument.
8 out of 10. Absolutely fantastic.
I feel... Hey!
Out of them. I absolutely... What do you want? Which one?
Blackjacks.
Blackjacks.
Practically
Licorice.
licorice.
I absolutely hate licorice. There you go.
Thank you.
So... can't stand it.
I wouldn't choose it for my first sweet. So the wrapping, I think... The wrapping's not that bad. It's just plain.
Alright, it's just blackjack.
Right, 3. Wait, smell it.
It's alright.
It smells just like weird licorice. 3. Oh, it's squidgy. It's like slime.
Whoa! I might actually not eat this.
You'll have to. They'll be like the same, I think.
Probably.
3,
Right.
2, 1.
Can't stand it. I hate licorice.
Theo, spat in your bin.
What?
I'll tell you all about it in bin.
Nah, I can't do them. I hate licorice. Absolutely hate. Where's your...
Bloody hell!
I hate licorice.
This video has been going for 10 minutes.
7.
It's okay, just a shoe. Oh, it went straight down. Right, Theo, what do you rate that?
-2 out of 7.
-2. I'd say, shall we do Flume?
What is it?
Marshmallow.
Fluffy marshmallow twists. Yes.
Flumby.
Just get the scissors.
Chicka-digga-digga-digga-digga. But what the wrapper looks really good, actually. I think. Jeez, he nearly stabbed me.
All right, let's cut it with the scissors. So.
I think the wrapper is like M&M.
Ow.
Did you get it? The wrapper.
There you go. Give you the big piece. Guess.
Doesn't matter.
Love it.
Gorgeous.
Absolutely beautiful.
I give that a 7.
I give that a 10. No, a 9. A 9. Actually, 10.
I'm not the biggest fan of sweets and stuff. I like I much prefer chocolate.
Same. I like Haribo's.
Yeah. I think now we should do not the bubble gum because shizer. Ooh. I think now, Theo, which one should we do? I don't want a drumstick. Should we do banana skids? Banana poo skid. We are weird, guys. Don't judge. Right, it looks just like mustard. We're going to have to cut this in half. It's like rock hard. Oh, shit.
Let me smell it.
I want to.
Let me smell it.
They are lovely.
I'd cut it.
Do you want to die?
You want to die? I've got 2 cameras. Jeb's camera. My camera.
Meanwhile. Anyway. Yay! Finally! You ready? 3, 2, 1. Ow!
What does it taste like?
Ow! Bikey. Bikey. I can't cook it. It's hard. Too hard.
I'm gonna pull out my teeth.
Ow! Listen.
Yeah.
Ow! Right, next week.
Haribo's! Haribo's! Let's do Haribo's!
Haribo's.
Haribo's!
Haribo's. Why are you cutting them?
Gus.
It's the old-fashioned way.
Yeah.
Right, the modern way is to open it by hand.
2, 3, 4,
You went 1, 3.
5, 6. Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Mmm.
Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
Mmm. Mmm. Mmm. Oh my god.
Who?
Can I want to do these? No, this.
They're good. I can't be asked to swallow them.
Ah, okay.
I can't be asked to swallow it, Theo. That's what she said. Stop bloody cutting everything!
It says to cut.
You rip it, man. Oh shit. Oops. Wow. I got a new tripod, didn't I, Theo?
Oh yeah, I gave him it.
It was $4.99. And we're back. We're finished. I still got my boobly gum. Want to vlog.
Ow! And we're back. I'm holding mine.
And thanks for watching, guys. Hope you liked it. Like, subscribe, and
Link in bio. Merch link in bio.
not
In mine.
in mine. Yeah. See you tomorrow. Because I'm not Jake Paul. Better savage than sorry.